Hello, and welcome to the ClubOS Calendar Availability tutorial. In this video, we'll discuss where and how to set your availability. ClubOS does not sync over availability scheduled in DataTrack, so each staff member will need to manually set their availability in the system. To start, hover over the calendar icon in the left-hand navigation bar on the dashboard. Next, select Availability from the drop-down menu. On the availability page, the drop-down menu in the right-hand corner specifies we are currently viewing the account's every week availability. This is where you set your standard weekly availability that is applicable from one week to the next. Each staff member will start with default availability pre-populated. Best practice is to clear this out and start fresh. You can quickly accomplish this by checking off above each day of the week. Then click Save Hours. Next, deselect Off for each of the days you typically work from week to week. Availability is broken into 30-minute time slots. Slots marked with 0 indicate you are not available to schedule an event during this time. This time slot will be grayed out on the calendar and unable to be selected. To mark yourself as available for an individual time slot, select the 0 and enter a 1. This indicates you are available to schedule one event during this time slot. Additionally, you can select the second white box to choose what type of event you anticipate conducting during this time. Available event types include personal training, small group training, appointment, orientation, and class. In ClubOS, appointments are used for membership tours and sales. Selecting an anticipated event type is optional and does not lock you into only conducting this type of event during this time slot. You can also mark availability en masse either vertically or horizontally. To schedule vertically, navigate to the top of the desired day, enter 1 and the appropriate event type. Then, click the downward arrow. Enter in the time range you want to schedule availability for, and finally, click Set. To schedule horizontally, navigate left to the appropriate time slot, enter in 1 and the event type, then click the arrow. This availability will be applied to all days that are not marked as off. This is helpful for blocking out lunch hours or daily scheduled breaks. Once you have filled out your weekly availability, ensure you click Save Hours to retain your selections. If you need to enter in one-time alternate availability due to vacations, holidays, or staff turnover, navigate to the drop-down menu in the right-hand corner and select Specific Week from the drop-down menu. Next, use the calendar icon in the left-hand corner to select the individual week this availability is applicable. Apply your alternate availability and click Save Hours. Once you have set and saved your availability, you and fellow staff members will see it reflected in the ClubOS calendar and in the Schedule Appointment menus on the New Lead form and the follow-up window.